bench gets filled with junk. Last but not least, I got one more to show you. One more thing. Why do I got a Mickey Mouse toy? Hey, my name is Mickey. Well, lo and behold, my daughter likes Mickey toys. She likes the old Mickey. The old Mickey. Something different with his ears. But, here's the kicker. Any of you read what's on the back? Arco. It says Arco, China. 1984 Disney. Well, if you do a search online, Arco, for Arco, vintage Arco Disney toys, apparently there's a whole lot of these. So not only can you collect Arco oil cans, you can also start collecting Arco Disney toys. Yes, I found another form of Arco on the internet. Right now he has no arms and legs, and he's just got one ball with a few nuts in the middle. So Arco, if you're watching this, this is an Arco Disney toy. You're probably going to get one in the mail from me a lot sooner than you see this video. So I hope you get a kick out of it, because it's right there, right on the back. I don't know if you can see that. It does say Arco China on there. Hope you enjoy it. Toodles. I'm going to bed. My kids like toys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click the button. Ooh, yes sir.